Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove the door panel, rear door panel on a BMW E65 or E66. This one is a 745, guys, right here. But it will be the same procedure for all of them. We have the privacy shades here as well, so this is the door panel we'll be working on. It's the same procedure for the right side as well, but we'll be demonstrating on the left one because we need to take the door apart to replace it actually with another door. As you can see, this one is hid here. Now with a small screwdriver you need to pop those caps open. Okay, you can see one right there, one in the front and one under the door handle, which is located right there. As you can see, hold them because they tend to fly if you're not careful. Okay, like that. And now we'll be using a T2, so this is a T30, and there is one screw here, one there, and as you can see, one on top. But on top it's a smaller screw, so the ones down the one here in this one and this one is with a T30. Okay, right there. You might not be able to pull it out easy. You can use small wires or magnetic tube to pull it out if you need to. Okay. Okay, and you need to remove this one as well. And now this one on top is actually with a T25. Okay, go ahead and remove it. As you can see, that's what it looks like. This one is easy to get out compared to the other two. Okay, this is the screw and that's what it looks like, and that's how long it is. Alright guys, now right here with a small screwdriver you can pry that cap open, and to pull it out, it comes in an angle like that. Okay, and actually the cable will be there for the locking right there, and what you need to do, you need to release it right here, and the inside door handle comes off. Okay, and now you can go ahead and you can grab it and pull it with a prying tool. We'll show you where all the clips are once we remove it, guys. Okay, so you know where to apply pressure, and there is a few clips on the top as well, so you need to pull these ones too. Okay, let us show you now where all the clips are on the bottom. Okay, facing the other way. Okay, it's, as you can see, 3 right there, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 there, so it will be 10. And also you have the one on top. Those are actually on top, 6 of them that go right here, so you need to pull those ones as well. Okay, now in order to remove the door panel you need to remove that clip right here. You need to press down and push that thing. Okay, you need to press down, it's hard to show exactly where, and pull it like that, and the cable comes out. Okay, now we can go ahead and remove the door panel out of the way, as you can see, like that. Hopefully the video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.